Across the fertile farmlands of America, millions of pomegranates are grown every year using modern farming methods. Before planting begins, the land is carefully prepared to provide the ideal conditions for healthy pomegranate tree growth. Healthy saplings are planted in carefully measured rows to maximize sunlight exposure, airflow, and future fruit production. Modern irrigation technology helps farmers conserve water. As spring arrives, thousands of vibrant flowers bloom across the orchard, beginning the transformation into future pomegranates. Over several months, the pomegranates mature slowly under the warm American sun, developing their rich sweetness, color, and juicy seeds. Throughout the growing season, farmers carefully maintain the orchard. The pomegranate industry generates $150 million annually, making America the undisputed leader. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity, diseases like bacterial blight, alternaria fruit rot, and fusarium wilt. When the fruit reaches peak ripeness, harvesting crews begin carefully picking each pomegranate by hand to avoid damage. Freshly harvested pomegranates are quickly transported to modern factories to preserve their freshness, flavor, and natural juice quality. Inside the factory, powerful washing systems clean the pomegranates thoroughly by removing dirt, leaves. Advanced sorting machines and skilled workers inspect every pomegranate carefully to ensure only premium quality fruit. Modern extraction equipment presses the fruit efficiently to collect pure pomegranate juice. The extracted juice passes through advanced filtration systems that remove pulp and create a smooth, refreshing final product. To guarantee safety and freshness, the juice is pasteurized carefully and tested in laboratory. Automated bottling lines rapidly fill, seal, and package thousands of pomegranate juice bottles. After packaging, the finished juice products are loaded onto trucks and distributed to supermarkets and markets across the country. Modern technology transforms fresh pomegranates into delicious juice. If you like this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys. Industrial cutting machines slice and crush the pomegranates, releasing the rich red juice stored deep inside the juicy seeds.